Wow, what a lovely performance. The next item that Hira will be performing is Govardhana Giridhara. This beautiful composition by Sri Narayana Tirtha extols the greatness of Lord Krishna. It says, O Krishna, you lifted the Govardhana mountain and protected the shepherd community. Krishna is an embodiment of supreme happiness and is the one who dispels the fears of his devotees. He annihilates the enemies of the Devatas and is immersed in the divine dance, thus bestowing us with transcendental happiness. In this song, Hira will be describing 3 stories: Govardhana Giridhara, Putana Moksham, and Kaliya Mardanam. The first Sanchari is Govardhana Giridhara. When people of Gokula stop praying to Indra, the god of rains, Indra gets angry and brings about heavy rains and floods in Gokula. Krishna picks up Mount Govardhana on his left pinky and protects the people and animals of Gokula. The second elaboration is Putana Moksham. Evil Kamsa sends Putana to kill baby Krishna. Krishna sucks the life out of Putana, thus killing her. The third story is Kaliya Mardana. Kaliya, the venomous snake, was poisoning river Yamuna, at which time Krishna jumps in the water, fights with the snake, and dances on his head. Please enjoy this beautiful composition in Ragam, Hindolam, and Talam Adi.
गोवर्धन गिरिधार गोवर्धन गिरिधार गोविंद गोकुल पालक परमानंदा गोवर्धन गिरिधार श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर भावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्दा भावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्दा भावक भयहर भावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्दा भावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्दा भावक भयहर भावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्दा भावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्दा गोवर्धन गिरिधार गोविन्द गोकुलपालक परमानन्दा गोवर्धन गिरिधार पाटित सुररिपु पादपवृन्द पावन चरित परामृत कंद पाटित सुररिपु पादपवृन्द पावन चरित परामृत कंद नाट्य रसोत्कट नाना भजना नाट्य रसोत्कट सगम सगमद सगमद निसा निसा धनि मद सरस निसा निसा निधनि धनि दमद मगम गगस सगमद निसा नाट्य रसोत्कट सा 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 नि नि सा दधनि ममद सगमदनि दमदाद सा नि द मगमदनि गमदनि सा मदनि सा धनि सा नि सा नाट्य रसोत्कट नाना भजना नाट्य रसोत्कट नाना भजना नारायण तीर्थार्चित चरणा नारायण तीर्थार्चित चरणा गोवर्धन गिरिधार गोविन्द गोकुलपालक परमानन्दा गोवर्धन गिरिधार गोविन्द गोकुलपालक परमानन्दा गोवर्धन गिरिधार
amazing presentation with excellent expressions, hand gestures, and footwork. I'd like to make an important announcement. Hira is dedicating her performance to Asha for Education, a charity organization that aims to educate underprivileged children. It is extremely encouraging to see the youth of today's material world thinking about the underprivileged. To tell you more about Asha for Education and also to present a certificate to Hira, we have Aparna Abhyankar Raut from Asha's Princeton chapter. Please welcome her onto the stage.
Thank you for calling Asha for Education at this particular event. We are a registered non-profit organization supporting underprivileged kids in India. We have about 46 chapters all over the world, and so total number of volunteers may be less than 100, supporting over 100,000 kids in India. I really want to thank Hira for this noble donation that she is giving towards Asha, and I'm looking forward for more kids in US and all over the world to support kids back in India. I want to give a certificate to Hira on this occasion, and I'm looking forward for more kids like Hira to support our organization. Thank you once again. Hira. Would like to make an announcement if anybody wants to join Asha Youth Chapter. We have a youth chapter. We are also doing a 5K run on October 1st. I think organized by South Brunswick High School kids, Tapasya, one of them, as leader. So I think Tapasya is already registering walkers and runners outside. If anybody wants to join, can join. And if you want to know more about Asha, you can go to www.ashanet.org. Thank you. Thanks, Mona, for the opportunity.
Thank you, Aparna ji, for coming. Let's continue on with our program. The next item that Hira will be presenting